Right, so we're at Skegness and we've got an amazing shop that's actually opened. This is something a little bit different to what I normally do. So what we're doing today, it's actually a wool shop. So we've got the owner. So what name is you?
I'm Melanie. I'm not actually the owner.
Okay.
No,
So
I'm
the owner? You're the owner. Yeah, so you're Melanie.
I'm Grant.
And you're Grant, and you're the owner, Grant,
I am
yeah?
the owner, yes.
Yeah? So tell us a little bit about the shop.
It's been a dream of mine for some time now to open a shop in Skegness. I started off in 2013 from my mum and dad's spare bedroom. So started a website online. We then, a few years later, opened our shop in Alford, just down the road. And then we're here now opening our yarn superstore.
Yes.
Yeah, and I can't believe how many people has turned up today. So tell me where they're coming from.
Okay, so we've had people travelling from Derby, we've had people from Grantham, Spalding, Grimsby, all over, and we've had people, bless them, they were arriving here at 7:30 and 8 this morning, just to make sure that they could get in first. So they were sat waiting, bless them, but they've travelled from all over the country, and the support has been absolutely fantastic. Yeah. Really has.
And we come out this morning and there was a queue all the way past the gate at the front.
So this is unusual. I can't believe there's so many people into woolen products.
Yes.
So where do you actually get all your wools from?
It's all over the place, really. A lot of the finer yarns are made in like Italy. There's a few still like West Yorkshire Spinners, which is still spun in the UK.
Yes.
Majority now is actually acrylic and it's spun in Turkey.
Crikey, Turkey.
And we've just had our own container that's just coming from China. So it's really worldwide, to be honest. It's all over the place.
So people can come and buy it, but do you sell online as well?
We sell online. Our website is www.thewoolfactory.co.uk.
Right, I'll try and get that in the link at the bottom. Yeah. So what's your job here?
So I'm a team leader at the warehouse. I do a little bit here and there in the shop that we've got in Alford, so I work in there occasionally, but tend to keep me behind the scenes. I don't know, I might scare the customers off a little bit.
When I come in, I thought you was looking after the customers. Yeah, you're doing a really good job.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you're making everybody happy. So.
But yeah, I do a lot of the warehouse and deal with the online orders and and help Grant and Matt as much as I can.
That's brilliant. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to take you inside and we're going to have a look round, and you can come with me as well, and you can explain a few things to the people. Yeah. But yeah, so if you're into your wool, I mean, I've got a lot of subscribers that I've never said anything about being into knitting or anything like that, but I bet there is somebody out there. So send me a message in the comments if you do a lot of knitting and you want to come to Skegness and get your wools. Yeah. So let's go for a walk round. Let's go and take a look. Right, come on then, Grant, let's show me some wools then. So what we got then? So this side we've got...
Here we've got, this is all double knit yarns on this side. So we've basically done the whole shop in sections of like double knit, chunky, Aran.
Yeah.
I'm going to put me in front of the camera.
Yeah, I'm going to put you in front of the camera.
So yeah, all this aisle is double knits. We've got more like baby double knits further up the end, then more like a mixture of double knits. Got self-patterning ones.
Yeah.
These ones knit up really nice for babies' garments. Again, on the other side, there's more double knit yarns. Again, there's a variety of different shades, colours, tweeds, flex, basically everything. We've got Rikarumi, Amigurumi crochet cotton, which is perfect for making little toys.
Wow.
If you come further down, again, this is like all the baby yarns.
Yeah.
Baby yarn section. Again, all double knit. Spin around. And what we want to do in the shop is actually, eventually we'll have more kind of display garments so you can see what you can actually make.
Yeah, will you actually be selling anything like that?
We might do eventually.
Yeah.
At the minute we more just want kind of a display, so we've got the patterns,
the
walls to go with it. And we'll work on, maybe, it might be even a possibility sometime to do it where people could make the stuff and we could sell it for them in here.
Yeah, that would be good, wouldn't it? Right, so go a bit further round. So you've got some really fancy colours, haven't you?
On this side now. But yeah, this is kind of like one of your basic DKs, which is 100 shades in this. So you can pretty much find a colour that you're looking for there.
Yeah.
And then we come down the middle aisle, which is majority is like Aran yarns. Probably more traditional weight of yarn, the Aran yarn.
Yeah. So where does Aran yarn come
It all
from?
comes from different. Well, again, most of these are like 100% acrylic, so they're not actually wool.
Yeah.
You do get ones with wool content in. There's different blends. You've got 20% wool, 40% wool. Again, they come from all over the place.
Yeah. Crikey.
But yeah, there's a lot of people down there.
I know, it's so busy. I can't believe how busy it is. It's really good that it's been like this. I hope it actually stays like this.
And this is like, that side is all chenille yarn, which is like the fluffy, not fluffy, but chenille texture, soft. This is one of our own brand.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
That's great for toy making, blankets, even babies' garments and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Again, this is all chunkier yarn, so a thicker weight yarn. This side.
So where does that come from as well? Is that made in this country?
Again, all of them come from different places. I mean, majority is made in, most of the acrylic stuff is made in Turkey.
Right.
The finer kind of with wool contents and stuff can be looking like Italy.
Yeah.
Some made in France.
Wow.
Some Rico yarns are made in Germany.
Yeah.
Again, over that side, we haven't got them here yet, but there's like West Yorkshire Spinners, which is actually all spun in the UK still, so it's 100% British wool. So
you ever visit these factories where it's actually being done?
I have been to some of them, yes.
Yeah?
I've been to Serdar, which is a big factory. That was actually fascinating going there. That was quite mad.
And they have all the old-fashioned machines still, don't they?
Yeah, it was crazy to see all the stuff going on.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Right, what have we got round here then?
Right, round here, again, we've got thicker kind of chenille yarns. So these are like super chunky.
Yeah.
It's really popular at the minute, all the chenille super chunky yarns. Great for blankets again, toys.
Yeah.
All sorts of that. Then we've got more of the normal, basically like your DK, chunky, super chunky, just different weight, thickness. And then this is the Drops cotton range. So again, we have here, and this is a strange one. These are actually made. It's not going to tell me where it's actually made, but they're actually made around Norway, Denmark, places like that.
Wow.
Again, so you've got saffron, which is a 4-ply, parachute, which is an Aran, and the cotton light is a double knit cotton.
Wow. So guys, if you're coming to Skegness, this is the place to come if you do a lot of knitting. So yeah, it's really good, isn't it, what they've got here? And it's massive. Look at the size of the place. Let me just put the camera up and show you how big it is and how much stuff they've actually got in, how much stock. And new stock coming in every day, yeah?
We will, from next week, have new stock coming in every day, yes.
Wow. But there's every colour to choose from. So yeah, it's really good, really good. Did you do like lessons and stuff like that as well?
We will eventually be looking at doing lessons, craft lessons, knit and natters. We want to create a kind of community feel here where we can get people in, able to come in, probably have a tea and a coffee, sit down, just come and do their crafting here, really.
That'd
really
be
nice
brilliant, that would be, because I bet there is a lot of people. I have been talking to some people and they said, oh, I'd love to learn how to knit.
Yeah, so we do want to start bringing. We do want to start bringing.
Can you knit? Do you knit?
I can knit, yes.
You knit?
Yeah. I can't crochet. My missus crochets.
Yeah.
I can knit. I'm actually quite a good knitter. Yeah.
Lovely, no? It's unusual to see a man that actually does some knitting.
I can't say I have time much to do it all the time.
I bet you don't now.
I
bet you don't now. Well, this is brilliant. We'll just go a bit further around here. So what's these up here as well?
Right, this is a whole... Oh, they're kits.
The
kits.
We've
got different hat kits there.
Right.
Basically to make different fluffy hats in different novelty kind of styles.
Wow.
So you got everything you kind of need to make.
Are they easy to do?
They should be quite easy to do.
Get all the instructions with it as well, yeah?
Underneath all that is actually all sock yarns.
Socks? Right.
So most of them are 75% wool content, 25% nylon to give a bit of stretch.
Yeah.
To make socks with.
Wow.
But yeah, there's quite a selection of sock yarns. Yeah. And basically here is the more luxurious yarn, shall we say, that's actually more 100% wool, merinos, silks.
So how much roughly?
These are the most expensive kind of yarn.
How much?
They kind of vary from £5 up to £20 of wool, so it can vary quite a bit. So, yeah.
You've got all different prices on
every
wools.
single price bracket basically in here that's possible. Yeah, we go
so it's not just expensive stuff.
No, it goes from the cheapest kind of acrylic, up to the most expensive luxurious kind of yarns.
Yeah, so it's just something for everybody. Good stuff. Good stuff. So you even sell all the knitting needles as well?
We've got all the knitting needles.
Yeah.
Again, we've kind of got the basic ranges and then we say, nicer quality of
Yeah.
knitting needles.
Yeah. Really good, really good. I can't believe how big this place is. You're doing a really good job. So it's the opening day today, isn't it? So I'll just spin you around. So we're actually at the opening day today, aren't we? So
We are the opening day.
they've got cakes and tea and coffee as
We
well,
have
haven't
had
you,
cakes,
today?
tea
Yeah.
and coffee. There's still actually quite a few cakes left.
Yeah. Right, so tell everybody that what they've got to do. They've got to come and see you.
They
yeah,
need to come
Skegness.
see us. We're in
Yeah.
Skegness. We're on Roman Bank. You can't miss us. It's a big unit. We have car parking out the front, and it'll be fabulous to see you here.
Yeah. What we'll do, we'll put the website, the address and everything in the description at the bottom,
Perfect.
so everybody knows where you are.
That's
and I'll
fabulous.
even do a Google map
Oh,
to
lovely.
show you where you are at the
Thank you
beginning
very
as well.
much.
So it's nice meeting you.
And you, mate. Thank you.
Yeah, good success in your
Thank you
business,
very
what you're doing. I'm really surprised. I can't believe how many people. I'm really shocked. So, and it's so big, this place is. But
It is
yeah,
a big place.
good luck for the future.
very much.
And I'll come and see you again
Cheers.
sometime.
Thank you,
Jeff.
everyone.
Can you tell
Cheers.
everybody to subscribe to my channel?
Yes, subscribe to his channel. He's fabulous.
Great stuff. See you all later, guys.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye-bye.
Well, thanks for you being there.
On behalf of Skegness Royal British Legion branch, we'd like to give a thank you for the donation of wool that we've just received, over £200 worth of wool, I believe. So we cannot say thank you enough. So thank you so much to the Wool Factory.
Thank you.
You are a traveller bold and free, from the heart of Northumberland to the sea, exploring Skegness, the seaside breeze, from Lincolnshire's